I am on the way to the airport right now. I'm headed to Orlando, Florida to speak at a conference, and I am actually speaking about being active online as physicians. And I think that speaking to Dr. Taryn Patel the other day for a video we made for SoMe Docs, it really reminds me of the metaphor of dominoes falling over, and there is in fact a domino effect. Here's a definition that's been screen grabbed from the virtual shelf of Wikipedia itself. And that's how I view all of our advocacy work online, in that each of us speaks up, and then it gives the energy, it gives the momentum for others to speak up as well. So that is a powerful effect. I've also likened it to a match being lit and then lighting others when it comes in proximity to them. It's especially true for those of us that are dabbling online, because we are not physically touching one another, but we touch one another with the content that we create. So with our words and our images and the messages that come across on any of the profiles that we set up.